and welcome back, everybody. If you are wondering how to delete a photo from your TikTok profile, whether you are on an iPhone or Android, in today's video, we will be guiding you to the process and demonstrating you to it. So let's just get started. Head over and start by opening up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you open it up, you can navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and tap on it and access your profile, which should be available like this with all of your posts available on your main home screen. So the next step you need to do in order to delete a photo on TikTok is selecting the specific photo that you want to delete from your profile. So you may have uploaded a bunch of pictures on your TikTok as a form of video. You just need to head over and select the specific photo that you would like to delete. Let's say, for example, for me, this is the particular video or photo that I would like to delete. So you can go ahead and select it. And then once you selected, the picture should be available on your screen. You can swipe through the pictures that you have currently uploaded. So you can see I have these pictures. So what you need to do is basically look out for the three dot icons, which appears as a menu icon on the side of the post. So look out for that and go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding a bunch of options on your screen. You just need to go ahead and scroll right from the last section, and you should be finding for option for deleting. So go ahead and tap on the option, delete option, go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding two options called delete and re-edit. And the second option is called delete. So what you need to do is if you want to permanently delete the picture, you need to confirm by tapping on the delete button in the confirmation. So tap on delete. And once you tap on delete, the post should be deleted, and there we go. Now it has been deleted. Once deleted, the post will be removed from your profile. You can find the option to recover it in your activity center for up to 30 days. But if you want to delete a photo, you can just head over and follow up these basic steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.